Alright, we're finishing up our day and night 80,000 BTU condensing gas furnace and 4-ton AC system. I know it looks a little Dr. Seussy without the rest of the trunk line on yet. Trunk line. The homeowner's going to do that later if he so desires once he gets done. Finishing out his barn. This is a big old barn. I think it's 40 by 60 by 14 feet high. And outside we have, there's our 4-ton unit. They're burned away. Definitely condensating some water. Now look at the water. Venting. You can get that all painted to match the barn, you won't even see it. Alright, that's all on this one.